day. Friends come out to laugh and play, jumping, dancing, full of cheer, happy moments everywhere. Cooking treats and sharing food, smiles and giggles, happy mood. Cookie soup and pizza too, made with love by friends so true. Riding bikes and racing fast, fun and friendship always last. Cheering loud at finish line, every win feels so divine. When the stars light up the sky, campfire stories passing by, roasting marshmallows warm and sweet, friendship makes our joy complete. Painting dreams with colors bright, butterflies and flowers in sight. Learning, reading, growing strong, helping each other all along. Fishing, washing, working too, every task is fun with you.